I'm Raksan Razan Safruddin and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna present about football match between Indonesia and Malaysia. And please watch it ya. Enjoy! Selamat pagi Mr. Chris. Hari ini mempresentasikan tentang Indonesia dan Malaysia sepak bola.
Yeay!
Our slideshow. Pertanyaan besar, mengapa ada pola yang berbeda dalam interaksi? Misi project. Terdapat permasalahan konflik antara Indonesia dengan ASEAN sehingga saya diminta untuk memberikan ide agar interaksi ASEAN yang baik. Pahaman misi project. Siapa yang memiliki masalah? Pemain Indonesia dan Malaysia. Apa yang dibutuhkan? Memberikan ide interaksi ASEAN yang baik dan butuh permainan sepak bola yang adil bagi antar negara. Mengapa masalah ini sangat penting untuk dipecahkan? Masalah ini harus dipecahkan agar tidak terjadi kecurangan di permain olahraga manapun sehingga permainan jadi adil. Project Focus Question. Bagaimana cara pertandingan sepak bola antar negara Indonesia dan Malaysia berjalan lancar? Hipotesis. Jika penonton yang melanggar dikeluarkan dari stadion, maka pertandingan sepak bola akan berjalan lancar. Informasi tentang negara Indonesia dan Malaysia. Kalau letak astronomis Indonesia 6 derajat lintang utara, 11 derajat lintang selatan, dan 95 derajat bujur timur, 141 derajat bujur timur. Kalau di Malaysia, letak astronomis ini 10 LU, 70 LS, dan 100 0 BT dan 120 0 BT. Keadaan geografis. Kalau di Indonesia terdiri atas pulau-pulau dan banyak pegunungan. Kalau Malaysia wilayah timur banyak pegunungan, wilayah barat ada banyak pantai dan rawa. Kekayaan alam. Gas alam, kopi, coklat, ikan, dan minyak kelapa sawit di Indonesia kekayaan alamnya. Kalau di Malaysia, minyak kelapa sawit, minyak bumi, dan gas alam. Populasi jumlah penduduk di Indonesia 220 juta jiwa. Kalau di Malaysia ada 29 juta jiwa. Agama di sana Islam, Katolik, Kristen, Hindu, Buddha, dan Konghucu. Kalau di Malaysia Islam, Kristen, Hindu, dan Buddha. Bahasa di Indonesia di sana bahasa Indonesia. Dan negara di Malaysia ada bahasanya Melayu. Informasi lainnya, jam di Indonesia ada WIB, WITA, WIT. Di Malaysia, jamnya lebih cepat 1 jam dari Jakarta, WIB. Insiden laser bisa ganggu hubungan Indonesia-Malaysia. Laser bisa merusak mata. Insiden pembakaran laser oleh supporter Malaysia ke arah pemain timnas Indonesia bisa membuat retak hubungan kedua negara. Untuk itu harus ada penyelesaian yang baik menyikapi insiden itu. Indonesia harus tetap sportif. Tindakan supporter Malaysia menembakkan sinar laser ke arah pemain Indonesia bila tidak dikelola dengan baik berpotensi untuk menjadi sumber ketegangan hubungan Indonesia Malaysia ketika pertandingan leg kedua digelar 29 Desember nanti, kata Guru Besar Hukum Internasional UI Hikmahanto Juwana dalam siaran per Senin 27 Desember 2010. Kesimpulannya, konflik yang sudah kamu pilih antara negara ASEAN. Pertandingan sepak bola antara negara Indonesia dan Malaysia diwarnai penonton menyalakan laser ke pemain Indonesia. Ide solusi konflik tersebut: 1. Mematuhi peraturan Indonesia. 2. Penonton yang melanggar dikeluarkan dari stadium. Menjawab pertanyaan besar, mengapa ada pola yang berbeda dalam interaksi? Karena Indonesia dan Malaysia melihat sepak bola dia curang karena penonton dari Malaysia pakai laser di stadion. Jadi pemain bola dari Indonesia tidak bisa lihat sehingga permainannya buruk. This is the resources.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. And the next is the final project in English between social studies. Football cooperation between Indonesia and Malaysia. Indonesia and Malaysia has a football match. Sometimes there are problems when football matches are happening. The problems are not only from football players, but also from football audiences. Our players should follow the rules. If they don't follow the rules, then they will disturb the match, so the problems need to be solved. Football is one kind of sport, has the 11 players in each team. They compete in a stadium. Indonesia has many football players such as Aludin Ali Aludin, Agung Setiabudi, and Ahmad Amiruddin. Malaysia has many famous football players such as Mokhtar Dahari, R. Argumungam, and Sochin Aun. Players kick the ball until they can score a goal to win. Indonesian players and Malaysian players had a match in Stadium Bukit Jalil, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. They completed on the 27th of December 2010 in the 2010 Suzuki IF Cup match. There was a problem in this match. The Malaysian football audience benamed lasers to Indonesian football players. The football players could not see the ball. They did it because they want to hurt Indonesian players, so they can't play properly. Indonesian players walk off the pitch in protest, and the host warned the Malaysian fans that the match could be stopped if they continue of beam laser beams. This problem needs to be solved because it will destroy Indonesian-Malaysian cooperation. So the solution is the audience who disobey the rules got kicked out from the stadium. Everyone in the audience and the football players need to follow the rules in football matches. Okay, the resources is Bolanet, Incident Sinar Laser, diselesaikan Menpora Malaysia. The access on the 23rd of February 2021. And the next is this is my poster of the football between social studies. This is my poster, guys.
Wow, that's good.
Okay, any questions, Mr. Chris?
You're asking me, you should be asking your mum if she has questions like that.
Yeah.
Any question, Mom?
Any question,
Okay,
ma'am?
Raksan, you wearing is the Indonesian national polo shirt, yeah?
Yeah. This is the polo shirt of Indonesian football.
Okay, so how you choose? Why you choose in the Indonesia football in the Malaysia? Why you choose?
Because of the Indonesia and Malaysia, they are karena dia pakai laser.
Oh.
Using laser.
So they have an incident ya.
Yeah, incident
Oh,
in stadium.
So that's a good team for your presentation ya.
Yeah, yes.
Anything else?
No, I think it's enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, very good, Roxanne.
Yeah, thank you,
You've
Mr.
done
Chris.
very nicely.
Thank you.
Thank
sir.
you very much, Roxanne.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, Mr. Chris.
Okay, so for the rest of the day, preparing for your SLC presentation, yeah, Roxanne?
Yeah, I just already made. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, comment, subscribe in my YouTube, Raksan Razan's channel. Bye.